What's going on, everyone? It's Dr. Charles of Active Life Chiropractic here in Rapid City, South Dakota. Today we're going to be going over a DNS rolling specific technique here. It's for the shoulder. So what you're going to need a nice stable surface. I'm going to use my chiropractic table here at home. You can use a floor on a yoga mat, exercise mat, or even just on the carpet. So let's get started. I'm going to be targeting this right shoulder here. So I'm going to lay on my right side. From here, if you look at my legs, I'm not going to be stacked or I'm not going to be out here. I want the bottom leg bent, top leg straight. As I'm laying here, you can use a pillow for support. I'm going to use the headpiece here. So to start off with, I'm going to have my bottom arm out to the side here. Instead of having that shoulder tucked underneath, I want that shoulder stacked. So shoulders both stacked here. Your arm is going to stay in this position the entire time through this motion. The big goal here is to try to smash the bug under your elbow. That's where all your power is going to be coming from. So to start off with, I'm going to take big breaths into the belly, just get good stabilization, breathing deep into the abdomen. And we're going to roll through that lower shoulder forward. From here, then we're going to push that elbow into the table, open up like a book, and roll back. And we're just going to do this a couple times on each side. The biggest thing we want to do is stay nice and controlled, keeping the upper back wide and tall, and just rotating through. During this motion, as you roll forward, you might feel some pinching in the shoulder. That is okay as long as it goes away when we roll back into that open book position. And you're going to feel a pretty big stretch in the back of the shoulder, even into the top of the deltoid. Doing a few of these is okay. From here, one thing I want to point out, we're not going to just be pushing the upper body back and forth like this. We want the trunk to move with the hips and the shoulder. Kind of just open up like this, just so we're getting proper stacking of the rib cage and pelvis. So that's going to be shoulder rolling. I'll show it here on this side and get a closer view. So now we're on my left side. Here and here, driving forward, opening up like a book. So that is DNS shoulder rolling for anyone dealing with some shoulder tightness and stiffness. If you have questions about DNS or dynamic neuromuscular stabilization rehab, visit activelifesd.com. Click the link in the top right corner and get in our books, and let's get you the plan that you need. Thanks for watching.